bottles before you leave. Well, I really don't know what's in this bottle, but it looks so pretty. But it could be poison, or mayonnaise, or floor polish, or a frothy combination of all three. But I have to find the white rabbit. Oh well, if you don't explore, you'll never discover. Bottoms up.
When Alice drank that potion, she shrank to 3 inches tall.
You mean 3 inches short. It was very tall, 3 inches.
Oh, look at me. I'm the right size. I believe someone forgot about the key way up there in that high shelf. Now I'm too small to reach the key. Oh, no, no, no. Try to express an emotional burst. Have a cookie. Well, it looks delicious, but how do I know what's in it? Don't be silly, Alice. What harm can one cookie do?
When Alice took a bite of that cookie, she filled the entire room. Now I'm too big.
Sorry, kid. You'll never fit in Wonderland now. Try Pittsburgh.
But I want to see the white rabbit. Alice cried and 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 cried
And cried and cried and cried and cried.
until the entire room was filled with an ocean of tears. What should I do?
Hurry, take another cookie.